Hello, little yogis. I'm so glad you made it today. Remember to like and subscribe so you never miss our new yoga fun. Today's session will help you feel strong, brave, and happy. Roll out your mat. Take a big deep breath. Let's get started.
Stretch your arms up to the sky. Wave hello to clouds so high. Touch the sunshine soft and bright. Everything will feel alright. Breathe in deep and breathe out slow. Feel your peaceful feelings grow. Breathe in calm and breathe out light. Fill your heart with joy tonight. Move your body, clap your hands. Dance together, make a band. Tap your toes and sway around. Listen to the with calm, sometimes fast and sometimes slow. That's the way our bodies grow. Every stretch and every pose helps our happy feelings flow. Spin around and make a star, shining brightly where you are. Laughing, dancing, feeling free, happy as can ever be. Now sit down upon your mat, quiet little yoga cats. Close your eyes and breathe in peace. Feel your busy thoughts release. Breathe in sunshine, warm and gold. Breathe out worries, big and small. Feel your heartbeat nice and slow, like a gentle river flow. Rest your hands upon your knees. Listen to the quiet breeze. Everything is soft and still. Peaceful hearts and peaceful will. Move your body, clap your hands, dance together. Make up and tap your toes and sway around. Listen to the happy sound. Move and wiggle, smile so wide. Let your happy feelings ride. Jump up high and touch the air. Joy and magic everywhere. Namaste, little yogis. You did an amazing job today. Your bodies are strong, your minds are calm, and your hearts are shining bright. Take one last deep breath in and slowly breathe out. See you next time, little yogis. Hur.